The EB-5 green card is for the investor. This is where an international invests either $1 million or $500,000 into a new U.S. company and creates 10 jobs for Americans or green card holders. The lower amount are for what are called TEAs. These are places that are either rural or have high unemployment. Now, high unemployment means 150% of the U.S. average. So if we have a 10% unemployment rate, then this area would have to have a 15% unemployment rate. You have to create the 10 jobs within a 2-year period of time and have to have infused $1 million of capital into the company by that point. There are a number of different ways to make investments into an EB-5. One is the standalone visa. Now, this might be investing one individual or a number of individuals into one company that's just created. This could be an investor investing in their own company, for example, wants to come to the United States and set up a company. It requires over $500,000 or $1 million to invest it. The other one's into a regional center. Regional centers are designated zones by immigration to start with in big projects that are going to create both direct employment of 10 individuals for each investor or indirect employment. For example, if they were to build a racetrack and in a small town, that might bring about hotels and restaurants and other things, and that indirect employment would be structured by having economists do a study. So a couple ways to do those. Now, you can look at these things in a lot of manners. We do a lot of investigating and research into regional centers for our clients. We also have clients who want to start up things themselves or start regional centers themselves. Check us out at onlinevisas.com and immigrationmagazine.com, where we deliver you the American dream.